So when it comes to algorithms, basically the algorithm which we're going to discuss right now is related to backlinks, building quality backlinks to your website. Okay. So Google algorithms and understanding Penguin algorithm update. Okay. So Google has got a set of instructions or algorithm called the Penguin update. Okay. This Penguin algorithm, the Penguin algorithm is designed to penalize those website which has spam high number of backlinks in a shorter period of time, low quality backlinks websites. Okay, so the Penguin algorithm, it is designed to take care of the backlink profile. So the Penguin algorithm is designed to analyze, not analyze, it is to penalize. Okay, penalize to punish, which means the website which has spam links. Spam link means like there are several websites that are considered as spam. They are created exclusive to spam people with irrelevant messages like that, or to give wrong information to the people and redirect them to a different website, and with which they generally collect people's information, or they do some mal activities which is not supposed to be done. Okay, so which has a spam, it can receive links from the spam and a huge number of backlinks in a shorter period of time. Okay, low quality backlinks, backlinks which are received from a low quality website. Okay, and the backlinks that are irrelevant. Okay, backlinks that are irrelevant. Okay, irrelevant to the content. Okay, so spammy backlinks, irrelevant and irrelevant backlinks, low quality backlinks. Okay, and we even call you know what to exactly say. Mm, backlink bombing or something like that, which means, like as I've already said, the number of backlinks that is built within a shorter period of time. Okay, so end of the day, this algorithm expects natural backlink building practices. Natural backlink building, natural backlink building process, which means the links, or we call it as backlinks, the backlinks that are generated for the website, the backlinks that are generated for the website must happen naturally. That's a claim. Okay, naturally, which means the basic tendency of a human is to tell other people that if something is good, they will be helping and sharing other people. You buy a set of new dress, somebody used to ask like, where did you buy this dress? And if the person is feeling happy, he will say like, hey, I bought this dress in this particular shop. You go out and watch a movie and you end up seeing that the movie is really good. Okay, and obviously that particular movie will get promoted and other people will take some time to go ahead and watch it. Okay, so basically with the same concept, backlinks are like good quality of the product, or we can consider this backlink as a word of mouth process in a traditional business. So when somebody says like this is good, so this is good, and obviously the business will grow better. Okay, the word of mouth business. Okay, like this, when the number of backlinks are built for a website, automatically the website's authority increases. Lots of people knows very well that when more number of backlinks are created, especially with the do follow backlinks and no follow backlinks combination, their domain authority will increase. Their page authority also will increase, and link juice will flow throughout the website. Now they know this concept very well. So by knowing this, what they do, they try to create the domain authority and the link juice in a faster pace, in a quicker format, and in which Google knows very well that This particular link building practice is done by following unnatural. Number one is link exchange schemes. Link exchange schemes, which means associating with other people and getting into a scheme like, hey, you give me 1,000 links and I will give you 1,000 links back to you. So link exchange schemes. Okay. Why it is not a healthy practice? The concept behind which the page rank or the backlinks are considered as better ranking is because people generally tend to share or create link to other content which is of good quality. So if more number of links are pointed to an article, then that article is of good quality is what Google comes to a conclusion. So that should happen naturally. Instead, if we break that practice and intentionally we agree to some other people to give and take links, now Google can easily detect. And these types of activities are called the link exchange schemes. And these link exchange schemes are not accepted. Basically, we are not supposed to do. Okay. And number two is using online tools. Okay, bulk, backlink creators using online tools. Okay, which means the goal of the search engine is not to check the more number of backlinks, and based on the more number of backlinks the ranking or the position is given. No, the goal of the search engine spider is to identify or value the quality based on the number of backlinks and the quality of the backlinks. It's not about the quantity. It's not about how many links we receive. It's all about the quality. What kind of quality are the links are giving to us? Okay, this is very important. Okay, so link exchange schemes. Okay, backlink creating using online softwares or tools. Okay, getting backlinks from irrelevant websites. Okay, which means if your niche is about, let me say, food, okay, getting a backlink from industry like construction or industry like pornography or an industry like medicine is not logically correct. If you take a traditional business, somebody is dealing with the milk. Okay, a customer who is buying a milk may end up buying a coffee powder, may end up buying a tea powder, may end up buying a kg of sugar or brown sugar. Okay, so he may end up buying a cup of a cup for drinking the coffee. Now this milk business is related to sugar, brown sugar, milk, I mean like coffee, tea powder, and it is also related to stove. Now stove is related to gas. Okay, LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Now this liquid petroleum gas is related to Indian, Bharat, okay, the private gas like super gas, something like that. Now so this is how the relevancy concept works. Okay, now when a business is related to another business, receiving a link from the relevant business is a good sign, but receiving a link from an irrelevant website, somebody is doing a milk related business, and if he is receiving a link from a let me say costume designer. Now there is no direct link between the milk production company and the costume designer company. Now the deal is irrelevant backlinks. Okay, at the same time, pattern, a specific pattern of backlinks, specific pattern of backlinks, which means the website will receive only no follow links. That is also dangerous. It will receive only do follow links. Okay, only no follow links. Okay, only do follow links. Okay, we may even receive site wide links, which means a link that is placed on the header, sidebar, and the footer. Okay, site wide links. Okay, So like this, if search engines can easily detect that the backlink that is built was done intentionally and that was done naturally. Okay, the difference between the genetically modified foods, GM crops, and the organic fruits are really different. Okay, so our body needs organic food, but still people are taking genetically modified food but no other go, so that's the situation is being created. Now when you take genetically modified foods, now the problem that is arising will be really, high. But when you go with the organic food, it will be on the safer side on the other end. Okay, so if you pay close attention to this, what Google is trying to say is like, we will find out those websites who are having low quality spammy backlinks and unnatural backlinks that are generated towards a website, and we will penalize this website. So Google Penguin algorithm update. Google Penguin algorithm penalty. Okay, Google algorithm penalty, we'll just give it a try. If you look into this image, okay, you can see this is the best example of a website that is affected with the Google Penguin update. Okay, you can look at this image. Okay, where the website receives somewhere around 9,000 to approximately 5,000 to 9,000 visitors, fluctuating. One fine day, when Google checks the backlinks for your website, now if it is found unnatural, spammy, something like that, now the visitors to the website suddenly drops when Google checks your website. Now the visitors go slow, 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 and you lose your business gradually. Okay. Now this is how your website will look like, or your organic report that inside the Google Search Console will look like if your website is affected by Google Penguin algorithm. Okay. At the same time, if you have recovered from Google Penguin algorithm update, okay, and this is how it will look like. Here it is. So once you are penalized, you have to do some activities on how to recover your website from the penalty. Okay, and this is how it will exactly look like. Okay, so if you see this pattern, this is a downtrend pattern, you have completely lost it, and by doing some things right, automatically the visitors also increases. Okay, so basically these images are used for showing the examples of recovery from Google Penguin algorithm. Okay. So one of the dangerous algorithm. Okay, so lots of people who create a new business website and they, take this habit of uh, building backlinks in a quicker and a faster rate, they will undergo this situation. Okay, so the image of a website covered from Google Penguin. Okay, and what we have here is the image of the website that was, penalized or affected by Penguin algorithm. So this is image of the website that is affected by Penguin algorithm. Okay, you can have a look at this one. Okay, now you know very well that it is not the quantity, it's all about the quality. Okay, the backlink that are built, it is not about quantity, it's all about quality. So we need to learn to build good quality backlinks. Okay, you can use any other backlink checker tool, okay, to check out what is the backlinks that are built to your website, especially the tool from SEMrush. Google Webmaster has an option. Okay, so Webmaster tool has the option to check your backlink building profile. Okay, we have a tool called Uber Suggest. Okay, this tool can also be used to check the backlinks, but the first highly trusted source is the Google's Webmaster Tool. Why I'm talking about Google's Webmaster Tool is because this is the official tool given by Google. So Google knows very well what metrics to show to people, what metrics to take care and other stuff. So if you go to your Google Webmaster Tool under the links section, okay, and Google is going to tell you like how many backlinks are there for your website. Okay, so you can see here this is like 119 backlinks are being created from different sources for this particular website. Okay, so we can see the number of backlinks given, and you can also see the backlinks created for the home page, specific articles in different scenarios. Okay, and there are tools like SEMrush where you can go and enter your website like https colon. Okay, let me go with amudhakumar.com. Let us see what happens. www.amudhakumar.com and click on this. So it will check and give us the overview of it. So let it load. So these are the data we have. So as per this one, I have almost 537 backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are almost 537 in nature. It's going blank again. Okay, so I'll go with the Uber suggest. They also have an option. Okay, so let me try to enter my website amudhakumar.com along with www dot. Okay, so these are some third-party tools that we can use to identify the backlinks that is there in our website. Okay, so based on which we can see how many backlinks have been created, where it is coming all the way from, and we can understand the best part of it. Some technical issue. Okay, so this tool says 303 backlinks, but the SEMrush tool says 537 backlinks. But whereas Google's Webmaster tool says only 119 backlinks. Now, whom to believe? I always believe the Google's official backlink list that is given because Google is the brain behind the whole process. Okay. Now for Amudhakumar.com, the domain score is 12, and I have 303 backlinks as per this Neil Patel website, and I am ranking for almost 244 keywords. Okay. So by building the backlinks, I am seeing gradual results increasing here. Okay, and my position also increasing. Now, if I look at this one, you see online digital marketing trainer amudhakumar.com. This page has got 22 backlinks created. Okay, overall 22 backlinks created. So once I click on this one, okay, I'll come to know what are the sources from which these backlinks were coming from. You can see I'm receiving a backlink from Submit Express for the anchor text amudhakumar.com, and I'm receiving a backlink from webestools.com. So from the profile which I built, so basically digital marketing training. Zoom takes you turn. So gbhackers.com, from that website with my name, I am receiving a backlink. Answers.squarespace.com, Q and A answer. So giving an answer to other people's question has generated a backlink for me. Forum submission, through forum submission, I have created a backlinks. So these are the different types of backlinks which I receive from several sources. Okay. Now, what Google has done recently with respect to penalty algorithm is earlier, whenever we see a link is being built to our website, we will see the spam low quality backlink also considered in the link list, and Google will penalize our website when we have irrelevant low quality backlinks being mapped. The biggest advantage that happens recently right now is Google has updated its algorithm in such a way that when Google encounters a low quality spammy backlinks, Google will ignore it. Google will not consider that one as a backlink at all. In earlier stages, Google will crawl and index and check all the backlinks, and it will detect those spammy low quality backlinks website, and based on the quality score or the penalty whatever the Google is supposed to give, that website will be penalized, which means the website will lose its ranking. And we have to manually work to an audit of the backlink and figure out which are all the backlinks are irrelevant and remove those backlinks from Google's index. So that was a process that was followed earlier. Recently, almost a year back, Google has rolled out an update with respect to Google Penguin algorithm that Google will no more consider low quality spammy backlinks. So the problem is only when Google considers it, right? So Google will not consider low quality spammy backlinks. Only quality backlinks will be displayed in your Search Console results. So whatever the results that have been displayed in Search Console is of good quality backlinks that we have. So Google has updated in such a way that if at all if there is a low quality spamming backlinks gets generated, Google will ignore those links. Google will not consider for ranking purposes. Okay. Now we are safe from getting affected from penalty. Okay, especially penguin penalty. Okay, if you are having a good quality backlinks, then Google is going to help you to promote your content. If you are having a low quality backlink, then Google is going to ignore you and you are going to get visitors to your website to such an extent that is very useful for your website also.